This is Dr. John Thomas. I'm here with Maynita, and she is a patient of ours, and she's been treating with us for about 3 months now.
Right.
So why don't you tell everybody why you came to see us in the first place?
Okay. I've had fibromyalgia for 15 years, and over those 15 years I've tried lots of different treatments, looking for some relief, and some worked for a little while, and some weren't any help at all, and they included things like pills and supplements and you name it, antidepressants and muscle relaxers and all the things that the doctors tell you to try. And while they work for a little while, they don't, or they don't actually work. They help for a little while, but then you go back to where you were before. And I had just decided that I was going to be in pain for the rest of my life. I did have to give up one of my jobs because of the pain I wasn't able to do because of the physical requirements of the job, and very sad about that. But the work that I do is sitting at a computer most of the time, and I've been able to handle that okay, working through the pain. But I heard about the program here and decided I would give that a try because I'm always looking for help, and met Dr. John and the staff here, and he explained his program to me. And at first I thought, well, it sounds okay, I think I can work with it. And actually when he got into more detail and told me about all the diet things we were going to do, and the blood tests, I thought, I don't know, this sounds a little strange to me, and I'm not sure this will work, but I decided it was worth a try because I needed the relief. So I went into it wholeheartedly and gave his recommendations my all, and put in the work it required. The diet changes were difficult for me, but I found them to be extremely worthwhile. As I started cutting out all the things that he suggested I cut out of my diet, I immediately started to feel better, not just in feeling better throughout my body and more energy and that sort of feeling, but I started having less pain, and that amazed me. So it made me even more dedicated to being stricter with the diet, and really trying to work through the program that he set for me, the treatments that he has for me. And I've been totally amazed. It's been 3 months now. I feel the best that I have felt in 15 years. I'm less pain-free, not less, I said that wrong, I'm not less pain-free. I am more pain-free.
There you go.
Because, and I think a great deal of it is, it's a combination. It's the treatments that you prescribe, the dietary changes I've made, and because I see the results, I no longer think that you're some kind of like witch doctor, or that these aren't going to work. I know they work because it's worked for me.
Well, it's removing the triggers. Now, besides the fibromyalgia, you also had like burning in the legs.
Yeah, and feet at night especially. Okay. My toes and the bottoms of my feet would really burn and really give me a lot of pain, and around my ankles. Okay. And so you've given me treatment for that, and there again, I was very skeptical at first, but I saw an immediate improvement, and then over time, now it's made a tremendous improvement.
Right. And typically you're skeptical when you've tried various things and nothing seems to work, so we're glad you're doing better.
Thank you.
And I know you said about a week ago you felt normal, but you didn't know what normal was. And
exactly.
So.
I said I think I feel as close to normal as I remember normal being, because I haven't been that way in a long time. And the other thing you've treated me for that amazed me was I have vertigo problems on and off for years, and I've been in a really bad spell of it for about 2 months when I came in for the first time. You started treating me for that, and I I saw improvement, and it's completely gone now. I'm not having that problem at all.
Well, we're glad you're doing so well.
Thank
There's
you.
still a few more things we got to work on going forward, but your life has definitely changed, and I know
All
you're
for the
excited.
better. Yeah.
Excited. So I want to thank you for taking the time to tell everybody about our office and the results you've seen.
You're welcome. Oh, and as a side benefit of the dietary changes, I've lost about 12 pounds.
This is good,
That
good,
never hurts.
good side effect. And I know you're really excited now because
Yeah.
we're adding some foods back in that
Yeah.
you've been missing, and that's what it's about. So
Yeah.
taking away some of those triggers and then making some of those lifestyle changes we need to make so we don't go back to where you were. So.
And a lot of it is giving me a lot of empowerment, because I'm learning a lot
Right.
about food and what it does to your body and how I react to it differently from maybe you would react to it.
Everybody's different, yeah.
So I have to learn how to tailor what I can deal with that helps me reduce the pain. So
Good.
I'm excited about that.
Good. Well, great. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.